Okay, welcome back to another Coins to Collect video, and ultimately, it is Olympic coins that we are seeking. And Olympic is right up there with some of the best Olympics. Right, 50p coin hunt. We are missing suffragettes, Kew Gardens, a load of Olympics. Last few Olympics were missing there. Found tennis, nice one. A few of the others we could do with finding some more Potters, Isaac Newton, Tom Kitten, haven't found one of those yet. Anyway, Flopsy Bunny, Peter Rabbit for 2018, Mrs. Tittlemouse. We're all the way up to the Platinum Anniversary coin. I guess we're looking for the Pride coin and possibly the Memorial coin, I guess. And any oddities and any territories go in the back. So let's get on with this then. Oh, there you go, I spotted that. A People's Act. Oh, do you know what? My words are failing me tonight. I really just need to go to bed, I think, rather than doing this coin hunt, but gotta get some more coins tomorrow, so all this lot has got to get recycled and back in the bank. People's Act, first commemorative of this hunt. Nice one. Cool. Oh, Victoria Cross the medals. Victoria Cross medals, right way up. Nice. Shields, Britannias. Ooh. Beating up Britannia. Dear oh dear. I bet you the coin machine rejects that. Thank you very much, someone. And these are all, that's a 14. That's a 19. And that one is a 19. We are looking for 2020 shields or anything else a bit newer. Be good. There are some NIFC coins that are not intended for circulation. That is the years 9, 10, 11, 16 and 18. 17 is a low mintage year. I'm looking for anything 2020 upwards as well with the shields. Anything like that would be amazing. Another 19. The Britannias 2008 was a low mintage year, which is a mo mintage year. So they'd be cool to find, but I have a ton of them already in my vault. So I don't need them. Probably just chuck them back to the bank. The 2008s and the 17s. That is always looking for Olympics. Any commemorative 50p's pretty much on a case by case basis. And Peter Rabbit there will be a case by case basis of getting chucked back into the wild. But for now, happy to find him. Pretty cool, 2017. I'll do a little Potter. 16's there, 17's in the middle, 18's down there. I'll do a little Potter corner. If you find any Paddingtons, we'll do a little Paddington corner over here. Paddington corner was stolen from my very good friend Bungle, who I'm sure doesn't mind. He probably wants royalties from it, but he probably doesn't mind me using it. Right, we found another Peter Rabbit 2017 and a libraries. There we go. Very nice. Quite good condition, that one. A 2017 Jeremy Fisher. There you go, put him next to Peter. We're looking for a couple of the 2016 Potters. A couple of them are worth keeping hold of. And we're looking for Flopsy Bunny and Peter Rabbit from the 2018s. Well, all the 2018s have got a little bit more value than just face value, so any of them will be exciting to find. I guess my top three would be Jemima Puddle Duck. Oh, excellent. That is so cool. Jemima Puddle Duck would be great to find, as well as Flopsy Bunny and Peter Rabbit from 2018. Ultimately, we're looking, well, ultimately I'm looking for a Kew Gardens, but ultimately, group-wise, it is Olympic coins that we are seeking. And Olympic hockey is right up there with some of the best Olympics. That is cool. A lot tarnished, but never mind. That's a cool coin. Hockey. Star find so far. Come on. Let's find another Olympics. Yes, more Olympics, please. That will be going in the book. I don't think I've got hockey. I remember if I found hockey. Oh, there we go. 2018. Taylor of Gloucester. Nice. Good one. There we go. I may or may not keep that. I have quite a few, I believe. There are some people who just collect, keep them. Yeah. Put them back out in the wild so you guys can find them, eh? There we go, a Diversity built Britain, and you can't get, I don't suppose, well, I don't know really, but I was thinking you can't get anything more diverse than British coins. The amount of variety of designs, you know, commemorating all these amazing events in our history. And of course now, exciting times really, unfortunately, exciting times because we're going to get new King Charles portraits on coins. So things change again. So exciting time to be a coin collector, I do believe that. Shaking the mint up a bit, I guess. Lots of coins coming out, mostly just for collections, not for circulations. For collecting, not for just circulation. Oh, dictionary. Finally got myself a Paddington. It's a nice shiny Paddington at the tower as well. Nice. Very cool. Paddington at the tower. Start off Paddington corner. Let's go right up, high up there. Let's take that one next. There's Benjamin Bunny. There we go. Second from the top. 17. I will sign the Benjamin Bunny, put my initials on him, and chuck him back out into the wild. So hopefully you can find them. No one's ever found mine, I don't think. My Benjamin Bunnies. I found a Rich H bunny. He does his videos. He's from Wales, near Cardiff. He does his coin hunts. Look at that. 2012. It's like tarnished, isn't it? What is it? It's a shield. Now you don't really see many tarnished coins in the circulating coins because they get boiled or pickled. If I should keep that as an oddities. Nah. Chuck it back. I hope I haven't done something crazy there and everyone's going, oh my god, I would have kept that. Yeah. It can't, if it's toned, it can't be a regular coin, it must be something special. I don't know. There we go, we've got 2 there. First found a Christopher Ironside, very cool. And then I found Olympic, sort of an Olympic, but not really an Olympic. That's the Rio Olympics 2016. Yeah, not really worth much at all. Probably only face value, to be honest with you. Dropping coins. Go, finish that bag. Bit of a dry spell there, but public libraries. Last bag. Last bag luck, hopefully. Find a second Olympic. That'd be cool. NIFC shield would be amazing. Nope. 2019. Right, there we go. Finishing on a 19 shield. But we got an Olympic, so winner chicken dinner thingy. So that is going in the book. We got 3 diversities, 3 dictionaries, 3 Benjamin Bunnies, and 3 Peter Rabbits. Oh, we got the Taylor of Gloucester as well, didn't we? So cool. I'll keep hold of that for now and then just double check my my cache of coins. So the bunnies we want to hang on to and sign. Taylor of Gloucester. Don't know if I've got that in the book. We'll go straight to the back to find out. We have a Taylor of Gloucester. it's Tittlemouse that's the other one that we're missing, apart from Flopsy Bunny and Peter Rabbit. So let's go back to the beginning of the book and have a look at the first page of Olympics, is it? Fencing, we said. Is that bottom one there? So hockey on the next page, next to where handball should go. Hockey there. Absolutely fantastic. Come on, you know you want to come out. Oh, might have to go and get the tweezers. Nope, don't need the tweezers, done it. Woohoo! Small victories. Hockey goes into the album. Thank you very much, Coin Gods, for that. Beautiful. Right, if you're not subscribed, please think about doing so. Hit the like button and the notification bell. Until the next video, keep looking out for those coins to collect. Oh, hang on a minute. Bunnies, bunnies, bunnies. Let's check bunnies for die rotation. And I'm not even sure I'm saying it correctly. That one there, bunny. Okay. This one here. Queenie's up the right way. Bunny up the right way. Last one. Just double check these. Queenie. Bunny. Yay.